Automating a marketing pipeline in 5 easy steps. Are you still manually copying leads from your website form into a Google Sheet and then working on them and then chasing them with email after email? Stop. There's a better way. In this video, I'll show you how to fully automate your marketing pipeline from filling the form on your website to follow-ups and using just one tool. Hi, I'm Martin and I run a software and design agency. Let me show you how to set up your automated funnel for free. Marketing funnels, hooks, retentions, rewards, and get their contact. You know, that's the basics. Here's the hard part. What's your hook, what's your reward, and how to automate it. Easy 3-steps method that you can run for free. Step 1, get them to fill a form. Step 2, get their contact. And step 3, automate the message you want to send to them. Let me tell you the story of one of our past clients that asked me to help them with their business automation. They had a form on the website. When people fill it up, she got an email. Then she had to follow up on them by typing an email and asking them to fill a Google form. Then the clients needed to go and fill also a Google form. After that, she would do a follow-up with them on an email again to ask them to print out a document. So then they need to print that document, fill it up on hand, scan it, and send it over mail. Now, here's a much more simple process. Fill the form on the website, go through Zapier automation, capture all the data that you need, and send them automated emails with the documents ready for digital signature. One form capturing all the data, and that's all. No hassle for the clients. That's user experience. Bonus points if you have a couple of emails scheduled over the next few days. Here's another option. You can use Odoo. Drop me a line in the comments if you're interested, as we're becoming an official partner now. So bring their email in your CRM or customer relationship management tool and have automated emails in the newsletter running for them. Even bigger bonus if you set up a YouTube channel and you talk about their problems and invite them to sign up to your newsletter. Now, to the practical part. And remember, if it is too cumbersome or complicated for you, just reach out and we can help you set it up. Here is what I like to do. If we already have a form on the website, we connect it to Zapier webhooks. Every time a form is filled, an automation would start, we capture all the data, and then we prepare the needed documents. Then we add a welcome email, thinking about what the problem of the client is and how are we solving it for them. So make sure you mention that inside the email. Then add them to your CRM, for example, HubSpot or ClickFunnels or Go High Level or Go Modern or Odoo, whatever. And by the way, if you just drop me a comment if you need help to set any of these, this is literally what we do for dozens of customers already. Then you can set a delay and send them another email after 24 to 48 hours. That's it. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe.